Video lecture number 33, 1.4, Big Data, Big Insights. Hello dear students and dear friends. Today I will start with a new prose lesson 1.4, Big Data, Big Insights. Friends, today I will discuss the icebreakers of this lesson and I will introduce you the lesson Big Data, Big Insights. First, I will discuss the icebreakers of this lesson. So, open your textbook of English and see the icebreakers of this lesson on page number 35, or you can also see the icebreakers and the activities on the screen in front of you. Now see the icebreakers. The first activity in the icebreakers: give business suggestions to the respective industry or company for the following situation. One is done for you. You have received data that now here you are given the some of the situations and you will have to give your suggestion to that respective industry or company related to that situation. Now one is already done for you, that is A. Many passengers prefer morning flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. from Mumbai to Delhi. Now suggestion is increase the number of flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. Now this suggestion is as per the data received. Now see the second one, the B1. B. Many students are opting for UPSC or MPSC exams. This is the data received. Now you have to give the suggestion. Suggestion: increase the number of examination centers as well as job opportunities. The suggestion for B is increase the number of examination centers as well as the job opportunities. Now see, many people go for morning walk to Kamala Nehru Park. Now suggestion for this is open the gates of the park earlier and close them only at noon. Also clean the park the previous night before closing or very early in the morning. Keep security guards in the morning to maintain discipline. Now the next one, that is D. Now see D. Many people buy clothes from miracle.com on online shopping site. D. Many people buy clothes from miracle.com on online shopping site. This is the data that you have received. Now you have to give the suggestion. The suggestion is increase the variety and brands in clothes, give discounts and incentives to new and regular customers, start various schemes. Start various schemes. Now see the last one, that is E. The situation is the viewership on television is more between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Now this is what the situation is. This is what the data is. Now you have to give the suggestion. E. The viewership on television is more between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Now the suggestion: telecast serials with the highest TRPs and socially important ads like eye donation or polio drops at this time. Suggestion is telecast serials with the highest TRPs and socially important ads like eye donation, polio drops, etc. at this time. Now here the first activity is over. Now let's go for the second activity from the icebreaker. The second activity is people get information from various sources. Can you name a few? Now here you are given an incomplete diagram. In one part of it you are given the word sources of information, and in its other part you have to mention the sources from where you get the information. Now what are the sources from where you get the information? One is already given, that is Facebook. I tell you the others. Number 2, internet. Number 3, WhatsApp. Number 4, dictionary. Number 5, encyclopedia. Number 6, newspapers. So you can go on increasing this like this. You can also give just 5 sources of information as it is mentioned in the diagram, and you can also add more. So 6 newspapers, 7 magazines, 8 books. So these are the activities in the icebreakers. Now we have finished the icebreakers here. Now let's turn towards the introduction of the lesson, big data, big insights. Now introduction of the lesson, big data, big insight, or big data, big insights. First, understand what is big data. Big data is a term used to describe a collection of data which is huge in size and yet growing extremely rapidly with time. Big data is a term used to describe a collection of data that is huge in size and yet growing extremely rapidly with time. Such a collection of data is so large and complex that none of the traditional management tools are able to store it or process it efficiently. This lesson, Big Data, Big Insights, is in the form of an informative article. This article tells us about the methods of collection of data, the advantages of big data in various fields of life or various spheres of life, and the information we can get by its use. I repeat, this lesson, Big Data, Big Insights, is in the form of an informative article. This article tells us about the methods of collection of data, the advantages of big data in various spheres or fields of life, and the information we can get by its use. This lesson explains us three things, and they are: number one, what is big data? Number two, the methods of collecting data. And number three, the uses of big data in various fields of life or in various spheres of life. I repeat, this lesson explains us three things, and they are: number one, what is big data? Number two, the methods of collecting data. And number three, the uses of big data in various fields or spheres of life. So friends, we should stop here. In my next video lecture, I will discuss the content of this lesson in detail with its features. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.